What's up YouTube, welcome back to my YouTube channel with another amazing tab of the video. So today guys, I'm going to explore and explain another amazing tab of the platform name is Upcoin. Trade securely and efficiently on Upcoin's P2P platform. So don't skip any part of the video. This video is going to be very interesting and also profitable for you. So guys, let's dive in. First of all guys, you can see here the front page of our project name is Upcoin is here, where you can trade securely and efficiently here. So guys, now we are going to explore. First of all guys, the trade securely and efficiently on the Upcoin P2P platform is here. Experience fast, secure and reliable P2P is trading with the Upcoin. Buy and sell crypto directly with other users worldwide, backed by advanced security features and easy to use interface here. So guys, here's our platform. You can also check this out here. You can also find out this their events are also still going on here, guys. You can also check this out. Here is some of the events. You can also find out this, and you can also get the review 10 pi instantly, and new listing Ruby is also listing on it, and earn up to 30% off on them. And Trop coins tone chain is here, and the P2P again pi coins are also here, guys. You can also find out this. So guys, here's the option where you can sign up or sign in, guys. If you don't have any account, you can also directly sign up your account here, where you have to give your email here first, then you have to give your other platform, just like password, re-enter the password, your nickname, your country in white code here. Then you have to join this platform here. First of all guys, we are gonna join this platform here. So guys, here you can also check this out. I have successfully signed up here. You can also check this out. Now their events are starting going on here, and I become a merchant here. You can also become a merchant in here. You can also find out my wallet and everything here. Now we are going to explore more thing about. So guys, here you can also check this out. You can also buy these too many coins here, just like Amigo, Hair, and the other type of the coins are. You can also trade here and community here, and here's this sale option, guys, where you can sell your platforms and your coins here. Here the BNB and everything of the coins are gonna say here. So guys, here's the how to P2P work here. So guys, here's the buy option, how you can buy. Here's the guys buying option where you can buy this. Here's the Amigo. You have to enter the amount of the Amigo, then you have to check out the sale information, your balance, your pay, and then you have to buy here. So guys, when you buy here, then you will everything will be stayed here. You can also check this out. Everything will be shown up here in this thing. So guys, how you can become a merchant. Here's a guy, become a merchant on this platform. Then how? Select your merchant. Then you have to select the merchant level here, guys. Here guys, you have to select the merchant level here. During period is 6 months here. You can also find out this, guys. The deposit period is to go into 6 months here. You can also select out the level and everything here, and you can also join their community here. So guys, here the P2P, we are gonna check out their P2P here. First of all, their events we will check out again later. And here's the SDA, Pi, Ruby, LOL, Wave, Dogs, Catty, and other type of platforms are here, you guys. You can also find this out. So the prices, you can also check out the prices, the high to low and everything, and you can also check out your history here, and the some of the frequent asked question and their blogs, everything is here, guys. You can also find out this, and it's how P2P work here, how to buy, how to sell. They're giving us a two method. Number one is place an order. When you are initiate a P2P order, the crypto assets with the hell no I think escrow of the Upcoin P2P. And number two is make the payment, guys. Make the payment is number two option. Transfer your payment to the seller using the recommendation payment options. After completing the fire transaction, inform the seller to Upcoin P2P here. And number three is receive the cryptocurrency. Once the payment is confirmed by the seller, the escrowed cryptocurrency be promptly released to you here. So guys, this was how P2P work. Join the upcoming P2P today and trade with confidence here. So guys, buy and sell crypto directly with users worldwide, backed by advanced security features and easy to use interface here. So guys, here's the Upcoin. You can also check the security. Their social media platforms are also here, guys. You can also find out this, and you can also download the app on the Apple Store from iOS and the Android also. So guys, here is some of the events are still going on here. So guys, here's the event. Earn up to 500 pi and upcoming exclusive direct referral program here, earning up to 500 pi here. You can also register now. When you register now, then you will get the 500 pi coins here. So guys, here is the event duration. Event is going to from 1st December 2020 here. Upcoming is excited to launch a special Pi network event program to design to help you earn Pi volume trading mining coins. This is a fantastic opportunity for the crypto enthusiasts to boost their Pi holdings with a low fees, higher liquidity, and a fast transaction. Ready to unlock is a 500 read on the discover from our program and how to start it. Everything is here. How to and direct referral program works. So guys, they are also starting the referral program where you can earn the passive income from this platform. So guys, how you can earn the passive income from this platform? When anybody join the through your referring, you can also get the rewards beside this, guys. So guys, they're also going to give the referral program here, this which is incredible here. And there's a read mode. You can also check out there how to upcoins your iOS, how to from upcoins is Android, and the maximize earning with mining coins, avoid common low fees and fast transaction 10 pi, and their other details are here, guys. You can also check out this. So guys, here's the platform. You can also become a merchant here. You can also check out their blogs here and everything. And this is going to be a best platform for you for p2p trading here, because this is going to be the best thing in 2025 year here for you. You have to check this out and you have to join this. I'm sure that you get a tremendous response from them, and this is going to be a best platform for you if you are interested to join this. Then if you wanna check out, if you want to do p2p trading here. So guys, I have told you everything, that how you can join, how you can register your account here, and everything. You can also check this out. So guys, that was our platform. I hope you liked and enjoy my video. So guys, let's meet in our next video. Have a great